Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikir here and I'm back with a new video, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to share your WeChat QR code. So without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, on your device, open the WeChat application. Once you open that, you will land on your chat page. Now from the bottom right corner of your screen, you will see an icon that says me. So tap on there. Now from here, tap on your profile. From the top of your screen, you will land on your profile page. Now if you are new to our channel and haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like the video and hit the bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload videos from our channel. Now back again, once you land on this interface, there you will see an option that says my QR code. So tap on that my QR code and then you will see your QR code. From here you can simply share your QR code, or else you can also tap on the three dot icon from the upper right corner and then share to your friend, or else you can also save your image of your QR code. So this is how you can simply share your WeChat QR code. I hope this tutorial helped you. That's all for today and thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.